Hello, everyone. It's John here once again, and today I'll be showing you a tool that will help you in the Stack ecosystem to ship more secure code. So, what's the tool? Rendezvous. It's simply a fuzzer in the EVM ecosystem. We have tools like Symbolic, like Recon, like Outpost, for you to do property and real testing. And there was quite nothing like that in the Spark ecosystem. I did discover this Rendezvous too. So I'll be showing you how it works. For those who don't have background in smart contract security or from the EVM, how things are done, I'll be giving a very short background of everything so you can find this tool useful as you are building and shipping to users in your protocol. All right. So it has two major testing capabilities, and that is property testing and invariant testing. So, for those who are not kind of aware, with property testing, what you're trying to do is to see if some inputs can break your code. That's what you're trying to ascertain. But with invariant testing, you are trying to see if the core part of your logic can be broken. For example, say you have a protocol to pay bounties, and the protocol should not have funds in it. There's only facilitate payments of wires. In that case, if there's funds in the protocol, that means the invariant is broken. Invariant is simply anything that should not even happen at all on your protocol. While property-based testing is basically for the input to ensure that there is no input that can break your protocol. If you follow the balancer and the balancer hack particularly recently, you see that it's more of a property-based attack that the developer didn't see coming for the protocol. And that's quite how it works. So now that you understand what Rendezvous does, you understand property-based testing, invariant testing, let me kind of show you how to install it. I installed it with the window command terminal, and it's actually very easy. But ensure you have very stable internet connection. That's the only thing that kind of break this. So just say npm install global stacks Rendezvous. Once you do that, it will. So again, ensure you have very steady internet connection. And once you run that, you see that it is installed already. And for you to confirm if it is installed, you can run the command RVL, and RVL will show you the version of Rendezvous that you have. For me, I have 0.12.0. That's the version I have. Now that you know how you can install Rendezvous, I played around with it, and you should actually come along to see how it works. So we have this contract here for testing, and I'll explain the contract to you and how it works. It's a simple lending protocol, and this is the deposits function. It's two inputs, the owner and the amount. Then this is the map function, same parameters, deposit map function, principal amount. Then we have the public deposit function that contains the logic. We are see the current balance equals the conditions. The amounts is the summation of current balance, current minus balance of the amounts. And you can see another function here. This is how you arrange, this is where you actually have to pay more attention to. When you want to run invariant or property testing with Rendezvous in your contracts, it won't be, the test won't be here. Just put the test here. No, that's not how you do it. You want it to run with Rendezvous. You have to bring the test up here. And the beauty of Rendezvous is you don't have to write text, but you can if you want to, but you could add two. You can use your simple polarity to test your things to be very sure everything is in order. And this is the test we wrote for the borrow function. You can see test always true. Then this is the test verb. If the amount is 0, this is the string we are trying to test, then to discarding to preconditions are not met. We want to verify that the new loan is equal to is the same as old loan plus borrowed loan. Now, how do you run the test? You come here. And this is another thing you should take note of. I think I prefer using bash for this rather than usual terminal. And you use bash or Linux, this command work better. And you can, yeah, it just work better. So I want to run the tests and I wanted to see how it will come out. And here you can see the result of the tests. It's different value inputs. You see this is false, 1, 1, pass. Yes, this the way test always true, okay, true. Test always true, okay, true. Test bar, okay, false. This randomization of the input helps you kind of know what to strengthen your code base. And if you come to the tail end, so the test always true export 7, then discarded, which is 3, fail 0. And that just gives you more information about the borrowing function and how to write it better. If you trace this down, you see that there's a huge bug in the borrow function, and you can just go out to your code, strengthen it, and make it kind of better. Simply, that's the intro, or how I would like to show you about how Rendezvous works. What do you think about it too? If you're also a start developer, what do you think about it too? How do you want to incorporate it in your next development and ship it to your users? Tell me in the comment, and I look forward to reading your comment. If you want to shoot anything, teach you any other thing else in the staff system, what you want to know as an engineer, do well to put it in the comment and I'll attend to it. Thank you very much for watching.